until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep,
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who are new here and don't know, and this is just Nella. Now I am a travel and lifestyle content creator based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I also happen to be a full-time medical doctor, so you get a mix of those things on this channel. Now if you're interested in that type of content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Alright guys, today we are heading to the beach. Yes, I am going out. It's the weekend, and for once I'm not staying in my yard and just chillaxing, relaxing, just lounging around, right? So if you're interested in coming with me to the beach, then keep on watching.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me.
Alright guys, so welcome to Lyson's Beach in St. Thomas. Yes, the parish right next to Kingston, and we're here to have a nice little beach vibes for as long as I want.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
First order of business is to find a spot to leave my bags, and then water time. I think a lot of the gazebos are taken, so
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
sun's out, buns out.
I'm feeling high.
Alright guys, okay, found the lighting. So we're here at Lyson's Beach. Yeah, we're just here for a chill, relaxing beach day. I have my shades, I have my suits. Yeah, here it is. Yes, I'm just here chilling and vibing, enjoying my time. I'm under the gazebo, so the lighting not that great. It's in St. Thomas, and so far I only paid a parking charge, $300. So the beach is relative, I guess it's free. Yeah, so that's it. A little later, I'll probably take you guys along as I walk the beach because it's a good little stretch of beach. Yeah, it's a good little stretch of beach, so I can probably take you as I walk along the beach and see how far it goes. Yeah, I'm on one end, so I must say I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this suit, another Shein suit, so I'm enjoying it. Yeah, it looks good. Nice color. I love the print. I'm loving it. So the beach stretches all the way over on that side. Yeah.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
So I'm walking along the shoreline. You can see it behind me. Just checking out and exploring more of the beach to see how far it goes and see what I can capture.
I'm feeling high.
Hello there. So I'm in the water.
I'm feeling high.
This is my tripod log. It's my log that's been acting as my tripod today because girl forgot her tripod even though I packed it. So yeah. Home time. It's been fun, but it's time to head up. Gotta go home to my man's Casper. Alright guys, so it's time to head home. It was a good little day at the beach. Like, look at this. These are my water shoes. Like, look how dirty and sandy they are. I'm gonna take them off. And you guys know the usual I will often drive in my swimsuit only until I reach somewhere where I need to put on clothes. And I'll just put on my top because I want to air dry while I'm still, you know, a little bit wet. But good little vibe. As I said, it's a community beach, so I think there's a charge to attend the beach. There was only a fee to park, which was 300 Jamaican dollars, which is like less than $2 to park here. So that's what I paid. I'll mute that. So I just turned on the car, turned on the AC, and now I'm heading back to Kingston. It's after 4 now. So I think I spent a good little time. I don't see any food places around here, but I guess because it's a community beach, a lot of people just bring them food from them yard home for house. For those of you who are not from Jamaica, I brought a snack just in case, you know. So I'm gonna have my Lays on the way home. It was nice. I had, like, there weren't a lot of people there, so, you know, just little families or couples or whatever, so it wasn't a lot, so it wasn't overcrowded. And as you guys saw, it was a good little stretch of beach, so, you know, and they had gazebos. They did have a little bit of garbage, which I don't see why people can't go on the road and bring back all them garbage, bring one bag or something and just throw the garbage out. And there are bins on the beach. I mean, they could have more. There were just 1 or 2, but I'm sure they could have more bins on the beach. But still, like, I don't understand why people are just can't throw things in the bin when them go places. Ugh, God, ruining the beach rather than just taking care of the nice little stretch. Hello. Anyways, let me stop cussing about garbage on the beach. But yeah, it wasn't a lot. It wasn't like in the water. It wasn't too much. It's just 1 or 2 places. So I mean, they keep the beach relatively clean. And as you guys realize, I like to go places where it's a bit off the beaten path. Not really off, but you know what I mean. It's a bit off the beaten path. Not too many people, because I don't like crowd. I like to enjoy the spaces to myself. Also, it's great for content creation because I don't have to feel weird that one bag of people looking at me while I'm trying to get shots or trying to take pictures. So, and it's also a lot quieter, less likely for there to be like music that is copyrighted and also content. And then people also look at you weird because they think that you're recording them. Like, sir, ma'am, child, I don't know you. Why would I be recording you? If your teeth out and I hide from somebody, I am sorry, cover your face. But this is about me creating content and trying to build my repertoire as a travel and lifestyle creator. So overall, it's a good beach. It was a good beach day. Like, one of the reasons I forced myself to come out is because I realized that I've become a hermit. Like, I don't really want to leave my house as much anymore. I don't know if it's drive me no one drive, become a tired for drive every day. If it's tired, become a tired for when I come home from the plantation, I just want to lie down and sleep. Or if it's just, I don't know, mild depression or something, or it's just laziness. It's one of the above or all of the above. Could be a combination. Maybe I'm just burnt out. Either way, I haven't been wanting to leave and go and the travels, and I'm like, hello girl, travel and lifestyle creator. Apart from that, the girl who loves to travel, like, get it together, sis, get it together. So I just said, all right, let's go somewhere close enough, not too much driving, nice to stretch a beach, somewhere I know that won't be too populated. I don't have to, you know, get into it. So that is why I chose License Beach, and I'm happy I did. So it's time for me to head back home. The roads to St. Thomas also need to be improved because pier construction, everything is under construction, so the roads are not too nice. But I made it, and time to make home in the name of Jesus. I'll see you guys when I get home. I think I'm gonna carry out Casper outside. He's been dying to go outside all week. Every time he see me open the door, he's like, we're going outside. So I think it's time I take him outside so he can at least get some yard time, you know. Anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh boy, look at this dog. What is he searching for? Hi guys, so it is Sunday and it is my duty day. I'm on for 24 hours, but guess what? Something exciting. It's my only duty for the week. Yes, something miraculous happened. Wonderful. When you have one duty this week. Can you imagine?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go.
Alright guys, so it is Monday, February 7th. I am post-call. So, you know, I was tired. I went home. I was supposed to go work out today. I was supposed to. But I was so tired. I went home and I was like, okay, just take a little nap and then change and go make my appointment. Make which appointment? Wait, make which gym appointment, dear Jesus? When I wake up back, it's halfway through my gym session. I just message my trainer and say, yo, I'm sorry, I can't make it today. I'm gonna have to reschedule because this is not it. I was just so tired, exhausted. So the only reason why I end up back on the road is because I forgot that Casper ran out of ink pads. So use the last one, and I say, you know what, I don't want anything happen tomorrow and I need it, and yada yada yada. Like, I have no more left, only have the one for today. So change out the ink pad. I mean, went to Fontana, which is the quickest place I know, to buy ink pad, and just bought a pack of ink pads. Now I know it's kind of pricey because it's Fontana, but I mean, I bought like a pack of 20, so it should at least last me for a little while. Look how much I'm in the pack. 20 to 20. 25 come in the pack for 2,700 plus tax. So you know, I got my winter Fontana. Yeah. So I'm gonna head back home because I had no intentions of leaving my yard right about now because I'm so tired. Today was a bust. We never did nothing today. Just exhausted. And that was about it. After work, reach home and just rest. Three times I'm a white girl. It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Go ahead, watch me smack that. All on the floor, smack that. Give me some more, smack that. Smack that. Smack that.
We can look at this, go through it prior to here. But if it is too low, if it's we're doing a relocation and if you feel like it has to be forced, it is remember to that is yes, that is the service. You're gonna get this. Don't want to share.
I got it, like.
And then brought breakfast that you guys can get alright, and thanks again.
Alright, friends. Okay. So, ignore the mess in my room. But I think I'm going to use the opportunity to try and see if I can assemble my chair. Casper, this is not playtime. Sir, it's not playtime. Alright, let's see if I can actually assemble my chair. I don't have no tools. Just have my 6-army knife. Sitting. Alright, so I have the back. The back. We have the seat. and gentlemen, my chair I built myself. You can't hold me again. Come correct or don't come at all. Okay. Okay. But yeah, here's the chair is building things now. Well, I can follow instructions and I can read, so you can't say that I don't know how. Anyways, I built it myself. I'm so proud. Did all by myself. Casper is right here chilling with me. Come up, Casper. And we're just now have a chair to use. See? So did it myself. So proud, and that's what I'm doing today. But I still have some more stuff to do. I have to obviously clean up this mess that I made and just put it out so that this young man, this young pup, does not destroy everything and then I wake up and have to clean it up. Alright guys, so that is what I'm doing tonight. I built my own chair. So proud. And it's quite comfortable, not too bad. And I can always put up a pillow. Always put up a pillow here. Alright. Today is a clean day, which means work we are work and a chicken we are jerk. So it's time to make some dinner. Today we're going for single classic macaroni and cheese. I'm really not into cooking right now. Alright guys, so while I wait, and allow the macaroni to double boil and trouble, I'm going to use the opportunity to just make this muffin mix. So I picked up this muffin mix from Hilo. It's Martha White's lemon poppy seed. So I don't really know what lemon poppy seed muffins are supposed to taste like. It's not like normal. That's probably why I picked it up. And today I went to work feeling very miserable, very crabby. So I thought maybe I should just do something nice. I'm not gonna make all of it. I'm gonna make like 3 muffins, 1 tonight, and then have like other 2 for breakfast tomorrow, or 2 tonight, other 2 for breakfast. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, I'm just gonna mix this and whip this up in the meantime while the water still boils and the macaroni, because the macaroni won't take too long. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh God, please tell me I'm not the only one who's in this situation. Just when I think of you, my fingers started shaking. I've known you for 2 days, I'm sorry I forgot your name. And it's not your fault, but just believe my heart is breaking into 2.
dinner is served. So dinner is served and I have leftovers, so I'll just pack that away after I'm finished and let me go check on the muffins. The muffins are ready. Just gonna let them cool. Let them cool off while I have dinner. Yes. I'm watching TMNT, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, one of my childhood favorites, while I have my dinner. Look at this greedy Gretchen waiting for food. Look at this one. He's just all about the muffins.
Files are erasing. It's some sort of self-destruct.
Erasing?
Before I started erasing, I had a chance to read a couple of Baxter's emails, and I was right. Baxter is working with the Foot Clan. Shredder is being transported to a prison in upstate New York tonight, and the Foot Clan are planning on hitting the convoy.
They're gonna break him out of police custody.
Be quiet, Georgie. Be quiet, Georgie. I never knew love like this before. Never had someone to show me the vibe. Love like this before. My woman, my everything. My woman, yeah, I know they think everything. Joanna, yo, like Joanna, Joanna, Joanna. Drogba, are you gonna play me like Drogba? Yeah, you say Drogba. What is going on with my skin, yo? Oh Lord. Oh God, look at this. Look at this. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Thursday, February 10th. Yes, and it is still a week in my life. I haven't done a lot of car videos because my phone is acting a whole fool. My phone decided to add insult to injury and not keep the charge, so every couple of minutes my phone just keeps shutting off, and then when I plug it in to charge it, it's telling me, oh, it's at 40%, it's at 50%, it's at 60%, it's at 70%, it's at 80%, it's at 90%. So why do you keep turning off? Like, it just keeps shutting down on me. And considering my phone is a major part of my livelihood in both work, like actual work, and content creation, this is a no bueno. So I fully need to get a new phone soon, because not right now, it's not within my budget and it will throw me all the way off. So I need to, decide on a phone and get a new phone soon, because this is not working at all. So, like, majorly annoyed, not freaking out, surprisingly. I'm just annoyed by the whole thing, because not too long, fixed my phone with the reboot loop thing, and now this battery issue. Like, the fuck is going on? I can't. It is so annoying, so antagonizing. Oh my god, if I don't look like my phone battery dying on me, deading off, I can't do nothing. First, it started to just drain really quickly. I noticed that when I went to my trip to Lison Beach, beach. When I went there, like the battery was just draining so quickly, and I'm like, this is not my phone. My phone is a kind of phone where, well, when I could have just leave it on charge for like all a whole day, and it don't need to charge till in the evening. And now all of a sudden, 2's battery dead. This is not it. This is not the life I signed up for. Anyways, I am heading to work in traffic as per usual. I just finished having my breakfast muffins. I would have show you guys how I eat it, but I was a greedy Gretchen and I eat it off. So yeah, that is what's been going on in my life, like in this week. I'm there trying to give content, baby, content, and half of the time I can't even do it. I can't even record what I'm doing because I use my phone because it's a lot more convenient. It already shoots in 4K, so the quality is there. So when I'm at home or when I'm going out, like going out, I would use my camera. But because my phone has good memory, good quality, I usually just use my phone every other time. But no, this is trifling AF. Like, the save me. Anybody wants to give me donate and send me some money, or buy me a new phone, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm usually more of an Android girl, but you do your thing. Usually more of an Android, like a Samsung girl, but it's I don't have a Samsung phone now. But you guys can do your thing, and I'll be appreciative of whatever you send because at this point I just want good memory space. Only two requests: good memory space and good camera quality are my only requests. That is all. Everything else. Oh, and the battery work, obviously. Battery is working and fully functional, obviously, is the other request, because at this point, girl is fighting out here, fighting for her content life. So for me today, it was only supposed to be consultant ward rounds and just go home, but I've been sanctioned to another clinic, my 4th this week. Anyways, just kidding. I was asked to assist in another firm's clinic because they're a bit short staffed. Some of my colleagues have called in sick. They're not feeling too well. So, I have to go help with them today. It is my 4th clinic for the week though. On Monday we did postnatal. So postnatal is for patients who have already delivered. Usually if you've had a baby, you know that you're reviewed on your 6th day and then your 6-week visit. So the postnatal patients are oftentimes patients who had surgery done. Review them, check their wounds, make sure they're healing okay, breastfeeding fine, and stuff like that. We also may see some vaginal deliveries, but those are patients who may have a lot of chronic illnesses and had a lot of issues post-delivery, but otherwise we don't review them. The other clinics are my usual 2 clinics for the week, which is my gynae clinic and my antenatal clinic, which I had. So 4th for the clinic. So now I have another clinic today, 4th for the week, as I said, postnatal, gynae, antenatal, and now I'm assisting in another firm's gynae clinic again. I don't really love gynae. The gynae part of obstetrics and gynecology is not my favorite. But anyways, that's my day for today, and then I can probably go home. I'm having a breakout, like, look at my skin. Oh my god, who is this destructive? Anyways guys, it's time to head into work. I'm here, I've made it. I'm just looking at my skin like, who hurt you? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? That. Anyways, that TikTok, like, why are you like this? Like what? Like this? Like what? Anyways, so right now my phone is plugged into my power bank so that it can stay on. I see where a part of the wire is exposed. I see where a part of the wire is exposed. So I'm gonna see if maybe that is the reason why my phone is acting a hot mess. If I can use some electrical tape and tape it up, and maybe it'll start holding a charge again. Who knows? Let us pray. Let us pray, but I still gonna need to get a new phone because you know when it starts show the signs of a downhill turn, when it start having the problems, you need to get it's a warning. Get yourself a new phone quick because I'm about to just kick the bucket. Anyways, so I have like videos coming up for this week. I'm trying to film my budget video. I met one of my subscribers yesterday. She's actually one of the new interns at my workplace, and she was saying, "Oh, I messaged you." So shout out to Aji. Yeah, so that's really cool. She's not the first intern I've met who was a subscriber, or a nursing student and stuff. So it's really cool to be, recognized somewhat, even though it's weird. But yeah, it was really cool. So it's really nice. She reminded me that she had asked me about the budget video. So I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely working on that now. I was working on it. I actually filmed it, but I don't like how it turned out, so I'm gonna refilm it. So that's why it's not out. I actually fully filmed it already, and I didn't love how it was coming, so I have to refilm it, and that's one of the reasons why it's not out yet. I haven't just gotten the time to refilm it as yet. Yeah, that happens, like sometimes I film videos and I don't love it. Like I filmed videos about like how to finance your medical school dreams, or commentary videos. I filmed a lot of videos and not all of them see the light of day because I may not like how it is, or I don't like how I'm rambling or how cumbersome, or I don't feel like I'm getting the information out correctly or the point across. So then I'm like, okay, let me go back right to the drawing board, write down and get my thoughts out clearly, the points, list them out, and then come back. And then I don't come back. And that's what happened to some of these videos, why they get lost or buried in the archives. So no, I just need to go back over the video, look for the points that I liked and not the points that I didn't like, and go through everything. And then I should have the video ready this weekend. I'm going to try for Friday. For the Friday upload, I'm going to try to have that video, which would be the video before this actually. So it would be Friday gone, which is the 11th, because this video is coming out on the 13th, which is the Sunday, as with all of my weekly vlogs. Or let us hope, because the way on my phone been acting a whole ass fool. Let us pray. I do everything on my phone. I edit on my phone, I film on my phone. So when I get my camera, like when I do things on my camera, then I just transfer it from the memory card on my camera to my phone, because my camera have a Bluetooth settings where I can Bluetooth things once I have the app on my phone. So yeah, I do that. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do editing these weekly vlogs. I wonder if that is what pushed my phone over the edge, because it was not like this before, but as soon as I started doing weekly vlogs, it started pushing it over the edge because it had to use more processing power. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, the point is I need a new phone, and if somebody wants to sponsor me, send on the phone good. I would appreciate it. I really would. You guys are amazing. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you in advance. Either that or watch the videos, like, subscribe, and share so that I can be monetized and get my videos, start making YouTube pay me, pay me some money. Then, that would also help. So you can either send me, or you can just, help me get monetized. Ching, ching. What is it like? Anyways, later guys. Work time. What? Work pre. Med boss. Work pre. Med boss. Make my own remix. The patient enough. Yo, I think I got it. The workload enough. Patient not stop come. The workload enough. Patient not stop come. Work pre. Med boss. Sorry, me down here with the shit. So today is Friday, February 11th. I'm not on duty, but still, here I am doing surgeries. Oh boy. Yeah. So I just got out to my last case for the day. It is like 4:50. I am done. Time to head home. Like home. Alright guys, so I'm heading out tonight. I'm going to dinner with Vanessa. You guys have met her before. So I'm just, I just did a simple beat and I'm wearing clothes that you guys have seen on this vlog before, like my jacket, my pants and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just heading out now. I'm going home. It's Friday and I'm doing road. I'm just doing a little road, Andrew said curfew is now 11 o'clock, so girl is going out. Alright, I'll see you guys. Guys, guess who's early for once? First person here. Can you imagine?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. Zoom, 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 zoom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D, me. My hometown girl. I got a girl. A, B, C, D. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. Zoom, 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 zoom. Don't wanna boast, but I got a girl. Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D, me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. Zoom, 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 zoom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, for me.
So I'm inside the inside of the restaurant. So they have an outside outdoor part and they have an indoor part which also serves as an art gallery. So I'll just take you around. The inside part doesn't really have anyone in here, so we just snuck in. We snuck in. Shh. Don't tell nobody. Alright, let me show you around. Very good. Alright guys, so I am home now officially. Yes, I had a good time and I'm in before curfew. And you're not gonna catch me. Anyways, yeah, I'm home now. The Coppers, the restaurant, chef's kiss, the decor, it's so pretty, so beautiful. And my smart friend Vanessa corrected me that the inside is called the cellar, where you see all the wine and the artwork, and the outside is called the garden. Okay, let's get proper with it, proper. But yeah, it was a good place, and the food was delicious. Chef Kiffs, whoever the chef is, if you want to marry me and feed me, like, yes, please, thank you so much. I love you. I absolutely love you. But like, the food was good. Prices were good too, because for all of what you guys saw me get, $5,000. $5,000, including the drink. And it was alcoholic. So, guys, we're doing things, and I had a good time. Anyways, I think I'm going to close out the vlog right here. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.